Today our topic is how to become the kind of person you admire. Let's talk about something important. Becoming the person you look up to. You know, the kind of person who inspires you, the one you wish you could be. Maybe it's someone who is calm in tough situations, someone who works hard and gets things done, or someone who is kind and helps others. Whoever that person is, you can become like them. It's not magic. It's about choices, habits, and mindset. Let's break it down step by step. First, think about who you admire. What is it about them that makes you respect them? Is it their discipline, their courage, their kindness, or their ability to stay calm under pressure? Write these qualities down. These are the traits you want to build in yourself. Now, let's talk about how to do that. The first step is to understand that becoming the person you admire takes time. You won't change overnight. That's okay. Progress is more important than perfection. Start small. If you admire someone who is disciplined, begin by setting a small goal for yourself. Maybe it's waking up 15 minutes earlier or reading for 10 minutes every day. Small steps lead to big changes over time. Next, focus on your mindset. The people we admire often have a strong mindset. They don't let fear or doubt stop them. You can build this too. One way to do this is by practicing Stoicism. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we can't. For example, you can't control what other people say or do, but you can control how you respond. When you face a challenge, ask yourself, what can I do about this? If there's something you can do, do it. If there's nothing you can do, let it go. This mindset helps you stay calm and focused, no matter what happens. Another important step is to take responsibility for your life. The people we admire don't blame others for their problems. They take ownership of their actions and their choices. If you want to be like them, you need to do the same. Stop making excuses. If you're not happy with something in your life, ask yourself what you can do to change it. Maybe you need to work harder, learn a new skill, or make better decisions. Whatever it is, take the first step. Remember, you are in control of your life. Now, let's talk about habits. The people we admire usually have good habits. They do things every day that help them grow and improve. If you want to be like them, you need to build good habits too. Start by identifying one habit that will help you move closer to your goal. For example, if you admire someone who is fit and healthy, start exercising regularly. If you admire someone who is successful, start working on your goals every day. The key is consistency. Do it every day, even if it's just a little bit. Over time, these small actions will add up and make a big difference. Another important habit is learning. The people we admire are often curious and always learning. They read books, take courses, and seek out new experiences. If you want to be like them, make learning a priority. Spend time every day learning something new. It could be reading a book, listening to a podcast, or talking to someone who knows more than you. The more you learn, the more you grow. And remember, learning isn't just about books. It's also about experiences. Try new things, take risks, and step out of your comfort zone. This is how you grow and become the person you admire. Let's also talk about kindness. Many of the people we admire are kind and compassionate. They care about others and try to make the world a better place. If you want to be like them, practice kindness every day. It doesn't have to be big gestures. It could be something simple, like smiling at someone, saying thank you, or helping a friend in need. Kindness not only makes others feel good, but it also makes you feel good. It reminds you that you are part of something bigger than yourself. And when you're kind to others, you become the kind of person people admire. Now let's talk about resilience. Life is full of challenges, and the people we admire don't give up when things get tough. They keep going, no matter what. If you want to be like them, you need to build resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep moving forward. One way to build resilience is by changing how you think about failure. Instead of seeing failure as something bad, see it as a learning opportunity. Every time you fail, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This mindset helps you grow stronger and more resilient. Another way to build resilience is by taking care of yourself. When you're tired or stressed, it's harder to handle challenges. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and taking time to relax. This will give you the energy you need to keep going, even when things are tough. Let's also talk about courage. The people we admire often do things that scare them. They take risks and step out of their comfort zone. If you want to be like them, you need to be brave too. Courage doesn't mean you're not afraid. It means you do it anyway. Start by taking small risks. Maybe it's speaking up in a meeting or trying something new. The more you do it, the easier it gets. And remember, courage is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Finally, let's talk about gratitude. The people we admire often have a sense of gratitude. They appreciate what they have and don't take things for granted. If you want to be like them, practice gratitude every day. Take a few minutes each day to think about what you're thankful for. It could be your health, your family, your friends, or even the small things, like a good cup of coffee or a beautiful sunset. Gratitude helps you focus on the positive things in your life and reminds you that you have a lot to be happy about. In conclusion, becoming the kind of person you admire is possible. It's about making small, consistent changes in your life. Focus on your mindset, take responsibility for your actions, build good habits, and practice kindness, resilience, courage, and gratitude. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress. Every day, take one step closer to becoming the person you want to be. And don't forget to be patient with yourself. Change takes time, but if you keep going, you will get there. So start today. Take that first step. You have the power to become the kind of person you admire.